Today we're making an Instant Pot recipe that you guys are gonna absolutely love.
We're making lion's mane mushroom soup today.
This recipe is super nutritious, super delicious. Let's run through the easy ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe and get started.
Here are the ingredients we will be using today, friends. I have a huge surprise coming up, so be sure you stay all the way to the end of the video. So I'm gonna start by getting our yellow onion ready. So of course that means taking off the skins. And friends, this is such an easy and forgiving recipe because we don't have to finely chop or puree anything right now. We just have to get it into chunks because we're gonna blend this soup later. We're gonna set the onion aside. Now we're gonna grab our garlic. I'm using an insane amount of garlic. Friends, if you know me, then you know. And one of the greatest hacks I discovered was using my knife to kind of smash down on the garlic cloves. This helps to release the peels really easily. You can use more or less garlic, but I'm of the mindset of the more the better. Then we're gonna just roughly chop this and grab our mushrooms. I got these from FirstLite Farms. I'm gonna link them below. They're a local grower and I absolutely love them. They even deliver to my house, my friends. My friends, I'm using lion's mane mushrooms. You can use any kind that you like, but these are especially good for the brain. And if you know, then you know I'm all about, I need more brain power. Anyone with me? Let me know in the comments below. And friends, please don't get mad at me. I completely lost the footage of putting everything inside. So instead, I'm gonna show you what I've been actually not yet. First, this is what's gonna happen once you already know how to make the soup. We're gonna blend it. My immersion blender was garbage, so I'm using my Vitamix. Then we're gonna add in the fresh parsley and stir everything. This soup was absolutely delicious. I'm ladling, good grief. Why is that so hard to say? Ladling it into my pretty bowls. And I do want to mention, these are like silicone soup containers that a company gave me. I'm going to put them up on the screen here. And they gave them to me to test out, see what I think. And this is the first time I'm using them. And I got to say, first of all, look at how rigid they are. I didn't pour this hot soup all over my fingers. I have looked at other silicone soup containers before and was not impressed. These also come with covers, so that's a win-win in my opinion.
What I love about these is that it has two marks inside. It has 125 milliliters and 250 milliliters. So I got the package of 6. Also, I love the color.
My friends, I have been itching to share my new website with you. Dining with Tara, of course. And so this is the home page. And on the home page, you can easily sort by category. I have holidays listed here, comfort foods for winter weather, because that's important. Then you can just simply browse recipes. I have never seen a website like this before. You can search by ingredients. So let's say you're like, I want to see chicken recipes. Then it will load all the ones that are chicken recipes. You can also search by category, my friends. You can search by difficulty. I only want to make hard recipes today. You might say that. You can search by maximum cook time, maybe maximum ingredients. I don't want anything with more than 10 ingredients. Remember, salt, pepper, water, oil counts. You might want to search by one pot, or of course, my friends, I know you love Instant Pot recipes. You can search by air fryer. If you select more than one, it is combining the two categories together. I am a huge fan of thinking about dietary options since I do live a gluten-free, mostly dairy-free life. So feel free to search by whatever category you would like. And then, friends, I am so excited about this. So you can easily, scroll down and yes, let's take a look at my hot Mediterranean-inspired lamb chops recipe. So if there is a video connected, friends, you can watch the video straight here. If there's any other photos attached, you can see them here. It gives you the prep time, cooking time, total time, difficulty level. I do believe this recipe is easy, but apparently it could have to do with how many ingredients and length of time. All recipes include a recipe description with healthy swaps and nutritional highlights, the ingredients, and if you're cooking along with your phone, you can check them off as you go. How awesome is that? You can also change either with the slider or with the 4x, 3x, and it will adjust how much you need. How cool is that? You have full nutritional information. This is per serving. Then here is one of the best features of this, especially if you're using your phone, is that you can select cook mode on, and this will keep your phone from turning off. Then you can read along, and if you like the step-by-step photos, they're there, or you can hide them if you just want to see, okay, now I need to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then you can go visit my blog. I'm just getting started doing this, but you can learn more about me here, friends. And of course, you can learn more about me here if you're curious about my story. Please head on over to my website. Give the recipes a try. I forgot to mention, when you are in a recipe, give it a like, my friends. If you have tried it, please don't like it unless you have tried it and like it, because I do want this to be representational of what you actually like, because there are really fun things, great, amazing things coming in the future. And so I did want to share with you, since friends, I did let you know that I forgot to, I am sorry, I did not film, or I lost the footage, but you come to my website, you can do it step by step. It's going to walk you through it. I don't know why I have the photos, but I just don't have the video footage, my friends. Please don't hate me for it, okay? I did want to share just a few other things about the soup containers that I got, since I did put them in the freezer, and let's see what happens the next day.
Another really important thing about these, because this is something I've been thinking about purchasing for quite some time. Look, they're actually rigid. They're lined with steel, so this is very flexible to pop them out, but it's also rigid enough when I put the burning hot liquid inside of here, it didn't collapse on me. So if you're using something that's very hot, that's vitally important. So I really do like that about these. They also come with silicone lids. Nothing about this is plastic. That's very important to me. So you could theoretically just warm them up in here, but I'm gonna warm it up in a bowl in the microwave, because that's how I do things. So let's grab them out of the freezer, shall we? Okay, so I've got them. Friends, I have a lot of things inside my freezer. Don't judge me. Look at this. And if you're wondering what those chocolate bites are over there, trust me, you wanna know. So we're only gonna need, I'm only gonna warm up obviously 1 serving of this. But look at this. That's what you wanna see. And actually, let me set it down and see just how easy it is to pop out. Friends, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, my friends? I literally just pulled this out of the freezer, and look. Friends, I just put this straight inside of my cup, and this is going in the microwave. That's how I live. I actually decided, let me show you, to warm this up on the stove, and look at this. Took just a few minutes, and let me put this in a bowl and we'll do a taste test. So we've got our delicious soup, and look at this, my friends. My friends, let's see how we did. I gotta try it again. Oh my goodness, don't mind I'm making lots of things here, friends. This soup is so flavorful. It was so easy to make. Doesn't require a lot of ingredients. You can tweak it by using different mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms would be delicious, blue oyster. Lion's mane though, friends, great for the brain. I love to get as much help in that department as I can. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me today. Thank you again too, and I will put it on the screen right here, for sending me these awesome soup containers. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with those. and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.